I just think a lot of people, when they think about real estate, they're like, oh, I need a bunch of money to do it. Or, oh my God, I don't want to deal with tenants. I don't want to deal with, the call on Sunday of, or Easter Sunday for that matter, that the basement's flooded and there's brown things floating around. I don't want to deal with any of that. But people don't realize, number one, you can get into real estate with little to no money. You could basically learn from one of our mentors, Chris Naugle, on how to actually get into real estate, how to make a ton of money by simply being the quarterback of the deals, literally being the person that finds the deals. And there's people making millions just doing that. And then the best part about that is they don't ever even own the property. They just make money finding the deals. So he teaches that. I think a lot of people don't even realize that's possible. And the other thing, a lot of people don't realize that they can take the money they have and they can directly invest into real estate and never, ever have to deal with the biggest problems of real estate, which is the real estate itself, the problems that come along with it, the tenants, the contractors. You can just be the bank. You could literally be the bank and have the real estate be the backing of that bank. So people don't realize these things are available because it's not the traditional things that we're taught.